everyone, this is Nikki from the design team, and today I'm going to go over some new products that we have to support the Ukraine. The proceeds from the sales of these products will go to the Ukraine Crisis Relief Fund, and we are selling them separately and in a bundle. So we're going to start with the paper pack. I really love this. It's got 16 designs and 2 of each of those designs, and they are all double-sided papers. So lots of stuff to look at here, lots of blue and yellow. One thing that I love about this blue and yellow is that it also can be used for so many different things. It's got some Ukraine symbols on it, but it's also got these great hearts, and we've got some dots, we got some plaids. I love the Ukraine heart here. That really is just beautiful. It's like the flag, but in the heart. But this plaid, you could use it for so many other things if you wanted to. The next one is blue with these hearts, and it says Ukraine across it. I really love that blue. It's a beautiful color. And the back is dots. Now these are, of course, super versatile, just great options for all kinds of cards with the dots. The next one is the Ukraine flag, and underneath it, it says Ukraine. You can see that right there. Okay, and the back are hearts. These are just hearts, so blue and yellow hearts with some stripes on the back. I really love this color. This is actually the color of my kids' school, so I'm going to be using it for them. I also love having some solid colors in the pack. It just helps you so that you don't need to use any other cardstock. The back of the blue has the heart and Ukraine on the back, and then this yellow has something similar. It's got Ukraine, but the heart is in the middle of the word. So lots of great papers. You could make so much stuff with this, things that are Ukraine and things that aren't, because you've got lots of other options of papers. The stamp set that goes with this is called #UkraineStrong, and it says we stand united. It has the Ukrainian word for Ukraine strong. Together we can make a difference, and then in English, Ukraine strong. It's got a ribbon of support. It's got the flag of Ukraine, and it's got this precious sunflower. So you've got the sunflower outline with the inside of the flower and also the petals. So that's really nice. This is all in a bundle, and it does come with the dies for the stamp set. So you've got the flag, the ribbon, and the sunflower die. So all of that in a bundle is $39.99. I'm not sure what they are separate, but I know you do get a little savings if you buy the bundle. Let me show you some cards that I made with these. I mainly use the cardstock, not a whole lot of extra things, just so you can see how cool this cardstock looks. So I cut out a heart, and I used some ink to create the flag, and then stamped my Ukraine strong, and then the background is all those fun papers. So I used the dots, the stripes, some of the solids. I thought this just looks so cute together. Okay, here's my second card. I did the sunflower with the blue center and added some glossy accents to it. I love these little sunflowers. I think they're so cute. And I did the same sentiment with the Ukraine Strong, used some of the great paper. I just had a ton of fun making these. I hope that you guys will enjoy it as well. Make sure that if you're going to buy anything today that you go through the links in the description. That does help support me. And make sure if you haven't done it yet to hit the like and subscribe button on the Cat Scrappiness channel. Thanks so much for being here. Happy crafting! Bye!